finish it up with the last step, which is the precision glue gels. I just took the red cap off, so don't lose the red cap. Unless you're finishing it, then you can throw it away. But when you're using it, you want to make sure you keep the red cap, so then that way it can close the needle part, so prevent it from getting clogs for your precision glue gels. One of this bottle will last a long time because each time you're going to use just that much. So little go a long way. You don't want it using it too much to flood your crystal. However, when you're using a bigger sizes of the crystals, especially with the bigger size like SS20, SS16, SS20, SS30, or if you're using a start with the big 3D crystal or ported back crystal, you want to use this to fill it in the gap, which is that is still haven't filled up or covered by condensed glue gel and the wet top coat. So you definitely can use this to, you know, double secure it and seals in all the gap. So I seals all the beads in the frame to prevent from getting tarnished. And then I'm working, if you've seen that I'm going around with the crystals, and to make sure that if I feel scratchy, it's going to squeeze a little bit in. However, if you feel like smooth, you don't have to seal them in, because you don't want to get a big lumps when you are keying it. But I seals everything. And however, if you are feeling there's still a lot of, like, of course you're gonna feel its texture on it, but you're not supposed to feel scratchy, like it's sharp in any edges, because then that probably is gonna catch in your hair or your client's hair or their clothes, which is that's gonna get more chance to, they're gonna like the crystals might come up, or it keep catching in the hair and pull the hair out more than a crystal. Probably is the crystal gonna pull the hairs out even before any of the crystal is coming up. So I'm gonna go in on the edges of the crystal right here. Make sure you are going to ask the clients when they key it, they're going to turn their hands, like tilt the hands as back and forth, so then that way the LED lamps are able to key it completely without missing any spots. So I'm going to seals on the top and completely, not on the top, completely seals the frame to prevent from getting tarnished, and then around the crystals and seals on the beads, so then that way all the beads will be protected from getting tarnished. Okay, and then we are going to key this for 60 seconds on both of them.